Please join me in welcoming Neil Benbow, the Field Sales Manager from Kramp, on stage to present our second award. Neil Benbow!
Thank you. Right, so attention turns then to Farm Machinery Dealer of the Year. So the winner is a highly thought of dealership established in 1947. Over the last few years, the winner has been growing the dealership, demonstrating a commitment to investment in training and innovation. The judges felt that they had also shown consistency in tough trading conditions by improving internal efficiencies and are now looking ahead more than ever. This year's Farm Machinery Dealer of the Year winner is... Lister Water Limited.